A lot of our subscribers are asking us to analyze Palantir unusual options activity because earnings is coming up on Monday, August 7 after hours. So in this video, due to popular demand, we will be analyzing unusual options for Palantir. It does not necessarily mean we will be entering the trade, so keep that in mind. August 4, 2500, August 11 expiration date, 16.5 strike puts, 22 strike calls. So this is 6 days away for August 11th, so this is most likely an earnings trade. They bought the 16.5 strike puts and also the 22 strike calls. You can see here that the volume is greater than the open interest on the put side, most likely an opening trade, and also on this 22 call, slightly greater, 7,000 greater than the 6,000. Okay, so when we analyze this trade, it costs about $100 per trade. This is buying a Strangle here. And when you analyze the trade, you can see what this is. Essentially, this trader is not so sure whether Palantir will go up or down, but is sure that Palantir will move dramatically, either down or up, enough so that it will be greater than their break-evens here at expiration. So on the low end, this break-even is $15.47. So Palantir has to drop below this amount for this trader to be profitable. And it has to rise more than 22.9, about $23 here. Here is the break-even of the upside. So anything in between, they would be at a loss on August 11. So keep that in mind. They paid $100 each, and since there were 2,500 of them, this trade is then about $250,000. Now, there was another unusual options here for 28,000 of them for the 20 strike calls. This was not done by one investor or trader. It was actually multiple people trading this, but you cannot see this in the quantities because it was broken down into little lots. This 20 strike calls were mostly being bought. So that is slightly more bullish than bearish then by buying the 20 strike calls here. As you can see, when we analyze that 20 strike here, and you analyze that, you know that this trade has to be bullish. When we take a look at that, that break even has to break right here at $20.75 to be profitable. Okay, so that is our analysis of Palantir. We don't necessarily trade a lot of positions in earnings because of the risk. We are very profitable on our trades that are not on earnings already, so we do not have to always rely and depend on earnings trades to be profitable since they are riskier. And if you are interested in our stock picks, join our membership where we share exclusive videos on other stocks that have higher probability of winning. That helps diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. So if you want to join, learn more by clicking the join button on our channel homepage. And if you want our trade strategies, we also provide those videos as well if you trade options as well. All right. Again, Palantir most likely up based on the current unusual options that we are analyzing. We did make a Palantir video some days ago. We'll put a link at the bottom here as well. You can watch that if you like to learn a little bit more on how we use unusual options analysis to predict stock price All right. Take care, everybody, and have a wonderful weekend.